Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Wyze BR30 color bulb and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these bulbs are not connecting to your Wi-Fi, or if they're not pairing or syncing with the app or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you decide you need to just buy a new bulb or you just want more bulbs, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get these Wyze bulbs at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting these bulbs up on a new network or in a new home or something and you just want to get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is just go ahead and turn them off and turn them on 3 times. After that, if it works, then they will start to pulse slowly, indicating that they've been reset. And from there, you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and set them up again. But if you're moving them to a new home or something like that, you can just go ahead and turn the light off right then. And then they will stay in their sort of factory state. And when you plug them in and turn them on again wherever you're at, then you can go ahead and set them up as a new device.